things first. I gotta pry open.
Holy shit.
This and get Beyonce out, the queen bee.
Darla's not happy. How do you know they're not all gonna fly away?
They want to stay next to their queen, for the most part. Oh, it's sopping wet back here. Jesus
I know.
Christ.
Yes. Let's keep the swearing to a minimum, though.
You wanna know what I'm doing?
All right, what are you doing?
Okay, well, I'm putting up these to hold some frames because I'm gonna pour about, I don't know, 10,000 bees in here. And I need one frame to attach the queen to. I use,
Okay, Darla's being really dramatic inside.
yeah, I know. I'm gonna use this frame to secure the queen with.
I'm so nervous.
Okay.
Holy shit.
Oh, I'm doing a escape artist.
Am I at a good angle? Or am I at a good angle?
Yeah, sure.
See, I'm so nervous I can't even talk straight.
Alright.
Okay, back to this side. Sorry, guys.
Back to popping this off.
Oh, you're going next to Skype. Do you see him? Oh, shit. Oh, my, oh.
He's not gonna hit you.
He's gone. He left you. There goes another one.
That's alright. Alright. Got that off. Okay. This. Some syrup. That there. Syrup, yeah. No.
It's 10,000 bees. Oh my gosh.
Trying to get the queen out
Okay.
without releasing.
Oh, I think you're crushing one.
Yeah, a few might die. In this process,
Oh my
I'm
god.
going to try to secure the queen.
Oh my gosh. So...
Who is attached to this.
I can hear him buzzing now.
Yep, there's candy in here that they're going to chew her
Okay.
right through.
Oh my gosh, there's one right by me. I'm so scared. I just got buzzed. Oh my gosh. Now I have
Are
to...
you recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm commentating.
The queen
A little too much.
is now in here. She has a bunch of dudes by her. They're going to chew her ass out of here in the next week or so.
Can you tilt? Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna have you tilt it. Yeah.
Queen
Okay, so
cage.
they'll chew through that. Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put that back in here.
Okay.
Now for the rest of them, I need to kind of bang them down so they get down to the bottom. You're going to get kind of upset about this right here.
Oh, great. Oh, Jono, they're swarming me. I thought you said I was gonna be okay.
Yep. Okay. Most of them are in here.
There's a lot that aren't, though. There's quite a few swarming.
Yeah, they're gonna make their way in.
You just leave it like that? Oh, he's getting aggressive.
Oh yeah. I am gonna leave it like this.
And then they'll just eventually make their way?
Yep, where's that top cover?
Right here? Oh, oh okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Brush them down so I don't put these back.
And then, so what happens next?
Well,
They chew through the thing, right? But then how long till they decide if they're okay with their new colony or whatever?
hopefully in the next few days.
So
They're going to either stay because they like their new home, or they're going to decide that this home sucks and that they're peacing out. Now this right here is an entrance reducer. So because they're a new colony and they're trying to establish themselves, if any robbers come.
like the squirrel?
Fuck the squirrel, I'm talking about yellow jackets.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And the stuff on top is just nectar, right?
Yeah, that's a feed that I made.
So it's just like sugar water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Is that it?